In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files between two Dropbox accounts using a built-in method known as the shared folder approach. This is the method recommended by Dropbox for most users, and it's a reliable and straightforward way to move your files safely and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to log into your source Dropbox account. This is the account where your files currently reside, the ones that you intend to move. Once you're logged in, you need to create a new folder, or, if you prefer, you can select an existing folder that you'd like to use for sharing. The key here is to share this folder with your destination account, the account where you want to move your files. When sharing, be sure to set the permissions to Can Edit. This step is crucial as it allows you or anyone with access to the destination account to manage the files as needed. Now, with the folder shared and permissions appropriately set, you can proceed by moving or copying the desired files or folders from the source account into this shared folder. This is where all your important items will be transferred, assuming you want them all to make the journey to the new account. With the files in place, the next step involves logging into the destination Dropbox account. Once there, navigate to the Shared section of Dropbox. This area lists all the folders that have been shared with you, making it easy to find the folder you just set up. Look for the folder you were invited to, and then click Add to Dropbox, or, in some versions, Join Folder. This action ensures that the folder appears in your files, just like any other file you own. Having added the shared folder to your destination account, you might want to move the files out of the shared folder into a different location within this account. This step is optional, but it provides full control over the files in the new account. Just remember, if you choose to move them out of the shared folder, these files will no longer remain accessible from the original account. Essentially, they become exclusive to your destination account, which might be exactly what you want for privacy or organizational reasons. Finally, once you've ensured everything is where it should be and the transfer is complete, you can opt to leave or unshare the shared folder entirely. Doing so will sever the link between the two accounts, which can be helpful if you no longer want these two accounts to have a connection. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred your files between two Dropbox accounts using the shared folder method.